Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we make this beaded heart keychain. So let's see what we need to make this. So today we're using this colorful beads, 6 mm, scissor and nylon thread. You can also use this method to make this. So let's start. First heart is ready. Let's make another one. Let's join both of them.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
We'll be right back.
just us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So finally our beaded colorful heart keychain is ready. You can also attach keyring in it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe and watch our other videos.